listening and reading practice. So let's start.
Eating healthy food is very important for our bodies. Every morning, I have a simple breakfast. I usually eat a bowl of cereal with cold milk or some toasted bread with butter. I also like to drink a glass of fresh orange juice. For lunch, I often eat a chicken sandwich or a small bowl of rice with vegetables. It is very tasty and gives me energy for the afternoon. In the evening, I have dinner with my family. We eat fish, soup, or a fresh salad. I always drink a lot of water throughout the day because it is good for my health. Sometimes I eat a sweet apple or a banana as a snack. I feel very strong and happy when I eat good food. What do you like to eat for lunch? Is your favorite food healthy?
Now your turn.
Okay, next.
I love the weekend because I can rest and have fun. On Saturday morning, I sleep a little longer and wake up at 9 a.m. Then I go to the market with my mother to buy fresh fruit and vegetables. In the afternoon, I meet my friends at the park. We talk and play football together. On Sunday, I stay at home and relax. I like to listen to music with my headphones and look at the trees outside. Sometimes I help my father wash the car or clean the garden. In the evening, my family and I watch a funny movie and eat popcorn. The weekend is a very happy time for me because I do not have to study or work. I feel very fresh and ready for the new week. What do you do on your weekend? Do you stay at home or go out?
Now your turn.
Okay, next. I have a very good friend. His name is Ali, and he is my best friend. We are the same age and we go to the same school. Ali is a very kind and funny person. He has short black hair and always has a big smile on his face. We spend a lot of time together every day. During school breaks, we sit under a tree and talk about our favorite movies. In the afternoon, we go to the park to play cricket or ride our bicycles. When I am sad, Ali always makes me laugh with his jokes. He is also very helpful. He helps me with my English homework when it is difficult. I am very happy to have a friend like him. A good friend is a great gift in life. Do you have a best friend? What is your friend's name?
Now your turn.
Okay, next. I like many sports, but my favorite sport is football. It is a very exciting and popular game. Every Friday afternoon, I go to the big playground with my friends. I wear my blue sports shirt and comfortable shoes. Football is a team game, so we work together to score goals. I love to run fast and kick the ball. Playing sports is very good for my health because it makes me strong and active. When we win a game, I feel very happy and proud. After playing, I drink a lot of water and rest. Sports also help me make new friends and learn how to be a good team member. Do you like sports? What is your favorite game to play?
Now your turn.